Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change Shopify background to an image. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Shopify, you can use our link in the description down below and you may get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here on Shopify, what you're going to do first is to make sure that if you want to upload or if you want to change the background of your Shopify right here. So this is actually my store. I'm going to view my store, and as you can see, the background of my store is only white, and you can change that using coding, so custom CSS. And before doing the custom CSS, make sure that you already uploaded or you already downloaded the wallpaper that you want to use in your Shopify store. So what you're going to do is to go to the Shopify website right here, log in with your account, and after logging in your account on the dashboard, on the left side, just click content right here, and under content, click files, and right here on files, you can upload the files or the wallpaper image that you want to use or that you want to be a background in your Shopify store. So I already uploaded three different backgrounds that I can use. So after uploading your files right here, you just need to choose whatever wallpaper you want to use in your Shopify store. So let's say I'm going to choose this one right here. This wallpaper. Okay, so let's go back. So after choosing this one, you just need to click copy link on the right side. So make sure that you copy the link first. And what you're going to do now is to go to your online store, and right here in the online store, edit your themes, edit your online store theme. So just click this three dots right here, and this drop down menu will appear, and click edit to edit the code. So after clicking edit code, you'll be redirected to this window right here. So this is actually the custom CSS editor page of your Shopify store. So as you can see, there's a horizon section, outline section, and timeline section. So what you're going to do is to hover under assets, and under asset, make sure that you click base.css. So why we need to edit something on base.css rather than other blocks or other CSS? Because base CSS is the general CSS of your Shopify store. So if you change something on the base CSS or inside base CSS, it will affect the whole theme of your Shopify store. It will affect your the overall contents of your store. So right here on the base CSS, make sure to click that. You need to, so you can see I already inputted. You need to type this code right here. So you can just pause the video and take time to copy the code right here. So this is the most important one. You just need to type body, add a bracket, and under it type background semicolon URL, and add a another bracket. So right here inside the bracket, this is where you will paste the image link of the wallpaper right here. So as you can see, I recently copy a link of this wallpaper right here. So I'm just going to copy it again, and I need to paste it right here. So I'm going to highlight this one. Oh, this one right here, and paste it. Didn't work, so I'm just going to delete this first and paste it again. So as you can see, this is the link of this wallpaper right here. So make sure that you also add this one right here, this quote marks before the link, and close it with a bracket. And under it, just type background slash size and semicolon, cover again, and add this one. And yeah, that's it. So you just need to copy this code template right here, and make sure that you put it inside the space between body and between the body itself. So make sure that you have a space for your code right here. So I made a space my code right here, and after that just click save to reflect the changes. So now after saving, just go back to your Shopify dashboard, go back to online store. So as you can see, if we click view your store and it start loading, the background of my Shopify store is still white. So why is that? That is because your Shopify store use default color scheme. So you just need to change the color scheme from white color. So the color scheme of your Shopify store on default setting would be white. So you just need to change it from white to transparent. So I'm going to click edit theme. So that will be redirected to the Shopify editing page. So right here in the Shopify editing page on the left side, click this one right here, theme settings. And under theme settings, you will see colors right here. So click this one, colors, and you will see all of these schemes right here. So you just need to choose a scheme and make sure that the color is on transparent. So let's say this one, make sure it is transparent. This one too. As you can see, the background is in white. Click it transparent, and right here, as you can see, if I click the transparent, the background of your Shopify store will change to the wallpaper that you set up. So this is my this is the wallpaper. As you can see, it's color blue, as you can see earlier. And that's it. So what you're going to do is you just need to click save and you're done. And that's it. You're done. That's how to change Shopify background to an image. And also that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.